Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI-powered photo editing platform, which is Photoroom. So let's get started with a breakdown and the analysis about Photoroom. Photoroom is an AI-powered photo editing app designed to create clean, studio quality image in seconds. In 2025, it's especially popular among online sellers, content creators, and small business who need fast published product or profile photos. The app automatically remove background, adds shadows, replace scenes, and let user place subject into a pre-designed template. New in 2025 features like AI background generator and AI fields allow user to describe a scene in text and have it created instantly behind their product. The tools are easy to use, beginner friendly, and work well even if you have a zero design skills, whether you are making a product catalog, social media post, or ads banner. Photoroom handle it with speed and accuracy. The app is free to download, but advanced features like watermark free export, high resolution downloads, batch editing, and AI generated background requires a pro subscription between $9.99 to $69.99 per year. Free user Free user get basic editing tools, but all export comes with a watermark. Photoroom beginners Photoroom's biggest strength are its speed, smart AI cutout, and wide varieties of templates for product shot, marketing, and branding. On the downside, free users are limited and it does not offer a deep retouching like traditional photo editors. Still, for quick professional result in 2025, especially for business or social content, Photoroom remains a top tier AI photo editors and well worth the price in if frequently user or frequently in use. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video editing platform. And that's it.